Yesterday, it's the feeling of betrayal. It's haunting me, chasing everything on me that I should walk away, but I can't. One day, I'm trying to say, when I am all the chosen, it doesn't matter if you can find me. It's never
Doa deh. Video ko pa lang. Natin sogo. Nga sa wala pala iba't is. Stay. Ano mo na?